Have you ever wondered how we celebrate New Year's in Botswana? Or how we celebrate New Year's in Australia with a Botswana twist? Well, welcome to my video. I am Tsofatso of Lusika Rights, and I'm here to give you a twist of how we celebrate New Year's. So New Year's, or New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, Ngwaga o Mosha, Ngwaga o Mosha. So around that time, New Year's Day, that's how you greet people. Ngwaga o Mosha. Ngwaga is year, Mosha is new, so New Year. That's how you say, everyone. You say Ngwaga o Mosha, and you keep saying that until the 1st of Feb. That's the rule. Ngwaga o Mosha. Ngwaga o Mosha. Some people will say Goledzwa, which is a Kalanga version, from my understanding, but Ngwaga o Mosha. Selemo se sesha, selemo season. Jara ntjha. Jara is a year. So selemo is season, or also known as summer, but season, new season. Happy New Year's. So you would say Ngwaga o Mosha. So on on New Year's Eve, what you do is typically people would, if they're religious, spend that evening in church. So you go to your church service around 10 p.m., you sing, and they do crossover drives. They call crossover because you're crossing over into the new season. So usually there's what they call an all-night service. So you are going to church at around 10 p.m. and you spend the whole night at church, and you wake up to enjoy the first sunrise of the new year. So that is usually for religious folk. For people who might not be religious or who choose to celebrate otherwise, you typically have fireworks. Now in Australia, fireworks are illegal. So you would actually go, and if you wanted to watch fireworks, you would go to a vantage point where the state council or whatever is organizing fireworks. So you would go with your picnic blanket, a jumper, because you never know what the weather will be like, picnic blanket, drinks, cocktails, and you would go and watch fireworks from a vantage point. There's usually a fireworks session for the kids, normally around 9:30. The big hoo-ha for the kids, and then you can go home. I have kids, so usually I enjoy that. You go home and have a quieter New Year's Eve at home with the kids in bed, and you're having your glass of wine. But in Bots, you can buy fireworks. So a lot of kids will go and buy fireworks, and there'll be that, lovely uncle who will buy a whole lot of fireworks for the whole family. So you'll have your braai, which is a barbecue, going, music, dancing until countdown, where everybody switches on their fireworks, and then goes around, sometimes being a nuisance, but all the horns on the cars going beep beep beep, and then everybody screaming happy. And no kissing under the mistletoe or anything, but that is the usual chaos. Even if you go to sleep, it's like happy, it's very loud, or everyone honking their horn, whether that they're on the street or just honking it for honking's sake, and it's very loud, and the fireworks are going, the poor dogs are all scared, and then you're eating and being merry. So what's typically served is simple food. It's not usually that complex. So you're having a barbecue, so pre-marinated meat on a coal barbecue or wood-fired barbecue, braai, and some pap and a few salads. So it's not as complex as 7 colors of Christmas, but you have palich. If you haven't watched our videos on how to prepare palich or pap or sadza, please watch it, so that you are meal prepping palich and not running behind schedule, right? We are eliminating African time forever. So you would prepare pap, have a barbecue, music, drinks, and then it's fireworks, and then you dance and drink and be merry until sunrise. And then you see the first sunrise of the year. You know, people are manifesting and coming up with New Year's goals and all that sort of stuff. And then I guess it means you spend the whole day, New Year's Day, in bed, recovering from an awesome, fabulous night. Hope you learned something. That's how we celebrate Christmas in Botswana. Oh, no, Christmas. New Year's in Botswana. If you've learned something, please like, share, follow, do the thing to help our channel grow. And yeah, I wish you and your family an awesome, fabulous 2025 ahead. Hopefully with learning more Setswana as I share more videos from Lesika Rights, and learning a lot more about Setswana culture that, you know, we take for granted as Botswana. So I am sharing this with you guys and hoping that you enjoy. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Ngwahomo sha. So bye. See you later. Bye.